What's up guys, it's me Bad and you are watching Tech Expode. I'm back with a new video and today in this video I will give you a complete review of BlackBerry Evolve with full specification. Well, for going further, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more latest phone reviews, videos with specs, features and concepts. So let's get started. BlackBerry Evolve evolution begin. News about BlackBerry pops that Evolve will be new smartphone which is going to launch as the mid-range device of this brand. It's a mid-range phone but specifications are still strong and BlackBerry Evolve seems to be recovery plan for their previous loss in the smartphone market after the introduction of Android operating system. BlackBerry's Evolve are quite immersive and bezels are reduced to minimum on the side, whereas the top and bottom bezels are also trimmed to make more space for the display of BlackBerry offspring Evolve, which is also the descendant of recently launched G2, and some says that design of this phone is look like that smartphone too. So let's get the specification out of the way first. First of all, let's talk about body. The dimension and weight is not announced yet, but this phone is single SIM, nano SIM or dual SIM. Let's talk about display. In other specification, the main component of phone is display. This phone has IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen of 16 colors. Evolved by BlackBerry display is 5.99 inches in size and resolution of used in this display is 1080 into 2160 pixels and pixels per inch. Density of display is 403 pixel per inch. BlackBerry Evolve is future of this mobile industry, so be the first to get this one. Let's talk about operating system and CPU. This new phone Evolve came with Oreo 8.1 installed on the board to keep everything under control. Qualcomm is the vendor of Snapdragon chipset 450 which is going to run Evolve at optimum speed. And on the top of it, octa-core processor is embedded which has the clock speed of 1.8 GHz. And GPU of Evolve is Adreno 506, whose job is to boost up the graphical performance of the phone. Let's talk about memory and storage. RAM of the phone is quite powerful and which is 4 GB. Internal storage is consist of 64 GB chip which has the backup support of SD card too, which is going to give Evolve 256 GB extra storage. Let's talk about camera. On the back, dual camera setup is located and both cameras have same 13 megapixel camera sensor. Features are dual LED, dual tone flash, HDR and panorama. While on the front you will get 16 megapixel lens. Let's talk about connectivity. This one has WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct and hotspot, and it has Bluetooth version of 4.2 A2DP and LE, and it has GPS with AGPS. This one has USB 2.0 Type-C 1.0 reversible connector, means USB on the go. Let's talk about sound and multimedia. Other types are vibration, MP3 and wave ringtones. This one has loudspeaker and 3.5mm jack, and it has active noise cancellation with dedicated mic. Let's talk about battery. BlackBerry Evolve's fast charging support makes you capable to charge your massive 4000 mAh battery within very less time as compared to other phones and tablets. Other features of BlackBerry Evolve. Sensors are fingerprint which is rear mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity and compass. And it supports all type of messaging such as SMS, MMS, email, push email, IM and BBM. This phone has HTML5 browser and it has photo and video editor and document viewer. This phone comes in only black color and the price of BlackBerry Evolve is about 310 euros. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoy this video then please do like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.